BT1100 from DHC is a battery and electrical system tester. It can test most 6V and 12V flooded, AGM, gel, and EFB lead-acid starting batteries, up to 3000 cca. Apart from using cca as the measurement unit, other units such as EN, EN2, DIN, IEC, CAMCA, and JIS are also supported. BT1100 can also test 12V and 24V electrical systems to ensure the overall performance of the vehicle's starting and charging systems. Pre-test preparation. Before operating the BT1100 for the first time, 4 actions should be performed. 1. Install the internal batteries. 2. Insert paper roll for the integrated printer. 3. Set time and date. 4. Set printout information. To complete these actions, you will need the following items: 6 AA alkaline batteries, 1 roll of 57mm or 2¼ thermal printer paper, 1 12V battery, 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Install the internal batteries. Flip the BT1100 onto its back. Then, use the Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the battery door retaining screw and remove the battery door. Then, take the 6 AA alkaline batteries and install them according to the orientation indicated on the inside of the battery compartment. Please make sure the battery pull tab is under the batteries. Once the batteries are in, replace the battery door and tighten the screw. Step 2. Insert paper roll for the integrated printer. On the front of BT1100 is a printer for printing test results. Place the BT1100 on a flat surface and lift the printer lid with a tab and open it fully. Then, place the paper roll into the paper compartment. Pull out a bit of paper past the top of the printer. Then, close the printer lid. Press down on the lid until it clicks into place. Then, tear off the bit of extra paper if necessary. Step 3. Set time and date. Connect the clamps of BT1100 onto a 12V battery. Once on the main menu, use the direction buttons to navigate to Settings and press Enter. In the Settings menu, press the down button several times until time and date is highlighted. Then, press Enter. First, select Date to set the date. Use left and right buttons to cycle between day, month, and year. Use up and down buttons to select the day, month, and year. Press Enter to save your settings. Then, select Time to set the hour and minute. It has the same operation logic as the date settings. Remember to press Enter to save your settings. Step 4. Set printout information. Printout information allows you to customize the message clients see at the bottom of the printout. You can put contact information, advertisements, or other short messages on there. To set printout information, go to the Settings menu, select Information, then select Edit. Press Enter to bring up the keyboard and use direction buttons to select the character you want. You can enter uppercase and lowercase English alphabets, numbers, and symbols. Once you have entered your information, press the back button once to retract the keyboard. Press again to bring up the save confirmation. To save the information, select Yes at the pop-up window. Select No to discard any changes. Last thing is to check the status of the printout field. When set to Yes, printout information will be printed. When set to No, printout information will not be printed. Press Enter to cycle between the two options. turning on the tester and things on the main menu. To turn on the tester, connect the clamps to the battery you want to test. Red on positive, black on negative. After a brief boot up sequence, you will land on the main menu. There are a few things on the main menu. Starting from the top, you got the status bar. From left to right, they are the voltage of the connected battery, the number of test results waiting to be uploaded to PC software, internal battery level, and the current time. Below the status bar are your functions. Use direction buttons to move between options. Press Enter to confirm your selection. Battery test. To begin testing, connect the clamps to the battery you want to test. Once on the main menu, select Battery Test. You can enter the VIN to link test results with a specific vehicle. VIN, or Vehicle Identification Number, can usually be found in or around the engine bay or around the front door frames. When VIN field is highlighted, press Enter to bring up the keyboard. Use direction buttons to select the character you want. After VIN is completed, select the Enter symbol and press Enter to retract the keyboard. Then, press the down button to select Next, then press Enter. If you don't want to enter VIN, just select Next, then select Yes when asked about invalid VIN. BT1100 will remember the testing criteria you entered last time. To reuse the same criteria, select Start. To change the testing criteria, select Setup. Then, locate battery specifications. It can usually be found on the top or side of a battery. Enter the battery type, rating, capacity, and battery location into the tester. Use up and down buttons to cycle between options. Press Enter to move on to the next item. Last step before testing the battery is to confirm the ambient temperature. This is used to compensate battery performance under different temperatures. Battery condition will be displayed in a few seconds. The result page includes battery condition, battery type, state of charge, state of health, voltage, internal resistance, and measured capacity. To print the test result, select Print. To end the test, select Done. System test. 4 items will be tested in system test. They are the cranking voltage, charging system at idle, charging system under electrical load, and alternator voltage ripple. These tests are designed to check if the starter motor and alternator are working normally. To perform a system test, clamp the tester onto the battery terminals and select System Test on the main menu. Before you start, make sure the vehicle's engine and electrical loads are turned off, like the headlights and HVAC systems. Then, turn the key to start the engine. Cranking result will be displayed. Press Enter to begin the charging test. Follow on-screen instructions to turn electrical loads on or off and apply throttle when needed. After the process is complete, the test results will be displayed on screen. It can also be printed in the same way you print a battery test result. So, there you have it. A quick introduction on the BT1100 battery and electrical system tester. If you have any further questions, please refer to the manual or contact your dealer for more information. Thank you.